How to fix can't refresh problem, easy and quick. If you want to refresh on a page and there is a problem that stops you from that, I will show you how to fix it. It's easy. First, just go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, then go to apps again, and then type threads. Now go to force stop, and then storage, clear cache, and go back, and that's it. Now just open the application and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now just try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and then you will find that your problem is fixed. Or you can just restart your phone, and that's it for this video. You can you close the application from the background, and it will be refreshed automatically, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.